Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa, and in this video I will be showing a product from IKEA, which is basically this will help you to clean your kitchen unit, maybe kitchen top or anywhere. I mean, if you have that on the dirty surface. So this product called as LILLNAGGEN, LILLNAGGEN. Okay, this type is basically a squeeze, squeegee, squeeze. Basically this will make sure that your surface is clean. So you can see this one. So the handle and this is the handle. You will find this product in two different colors. One will be red and white and one will be black and silver. So this will be definitely silver in any of the cases, but this product, this rubber may be a red color and this handle will be of white color. Okay, that is one thing. And the product will be useful at your kitchen, and this is a must have product in kitchen. Whatever items that I am showing you on my channel of IKEA is a must have product, guys. I will never show unless it is a must have. So definitely do watch the contents of whatever IKEA related videos or IKEA related products that I review, and subscribe. I mean, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can able to view the content later as well. Okay, so guys, this is the product, and as I told you the name, then the usage, I will tell you the price as well. Price that I paid, guys, it is 99 rupees. 99 rupees in the sense it is approximately $1.2. Maybe in US or anywhere else you will find it in $1 as well. Okay, this is made in let me give me a minute. It is also made in China, and it's of hard plastic, guys. And I selected the black color because you know that in kitchen it is usually the white color will get dirty very easily. So I got the black color, and the silver, here you have the silver coating. I believe this is the aluminium, and they have given the rubber, already rubber fitted to this aluminium. You see this one, right? Already this rubber is fitted to the aluminium. And yes guys, so I made my desk dirty, just the reason to show you guys that how this product works basically, right? Basically it should work in a proper way that we want it to be, right? So the rubber material is quite good, I see here. And with the price that we pay, around 99 rupees or $1.2, this is a good product. We definitely should opt for it, right? Whenever you go to market, you will find this type of product in $2.50, I mean $3-4 as well. But this product, using the aluminium and the rubber material, which is quite good. We will do a demo. I'll show you how it is been. We can add some water as well and show you how it is reacting to that. Okay, so let me do it. Right now you might see some noise. The reason is that this is my desk, I mean work desk, and see this one. This is working very well. No problem at all, right? Let me don't do that on the different direction. Okay, if you do it on the other direction, this will, I mean the rubbers will make a clear passage, and your dust will not be accumulated properly. Make sure that you do it in one direction. Okay, this direction will be enough. Okay, let me add some water to show you how it works. Okay, I do have some water here. Let's see how it works. I'll pour some water. Hope you are able to see the water. I will make sure that this gets cleaned in a single shot itself. Okay, I will just clean this up. Okay guys, see this. Okay, do you see any water substance here? Not at all, guys. This is very helpful, and the purchase link will be there in the description section. You can definitely go ahead and purchase it. I'll provide IKEA as well as Amazon purchase link if it is available. Okay, whenever you visit IKEA store, do purchase this item. This is a must have item at your kitchen, and you should definitely opt for it rather than opting for a local quality or a different brand item. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful and this product will be useful. Subscribe to my channel if you need any further videos to be updated. Okay, thanks guys, thank you so much, and thanks for watching. Bye.